Hey everyone, Sherry here, just dropping by to say hi and just do a quick recap of week one. I'll post these videos from time to time, not every week, but again, this appears in the announcements page along with some other information about the week coming up, which will be week two. Two things I just mostly want to cover. Discussion, so great, lively, thoughtful discussion posts. Please make sure that you are following the requirements which are on the top of the discussions page. Make sure your posts and your replies are being done on time. Remember, your thread is due by Wednesday at noon. Your other replies can happen during the week. Make sure you're meeting the requirements for the amount of words in your posts, and make sure your replies are also in that 100-word range. Also, discussions take place from Monday through Friday. I don't mind you getting in on Sunday if you kind of want to drop in on Sunday a little bit, but by Friday, by I think it's 6 o'clock, discussions end. And if you're going to post things after that, most people are not going to be reading those posts. So again, get in early if you can. Secondly, reflections. Again, thoughtful reflections. Make sure you're following the prompts on each of the different reflection essays. Remember, they each ask you different things and focus on different aspects of the week's content. So make sure you're checking the reflections page, which of course can be found in each of the modules as well as on the reflections module. Couple of other points. Make sure you're following APA. So again, on D2L there's a module for APA. Check out those top 10 rules, things like Times New Roman, 12-point font, double space. I've read a bunch of single space reflections, and as you know, those are really hard to read, and that's why we actually double space. Much easier to read. So make sure you follow those APA rules. And then lastly, I will leave feedback on your reflection essays, so make sure you're reading that on D2L. And then lastly, when you submit your paper and upload your paper, you should see a red dot appear pretty immediately in your email box showing that your submission was received successfully. If you don't see that email in receipt, quote unquote receipt, then something might have happened in uploading it. So just make sure you check that. Anyway, that's it. Great week one. Look forward to seeing you all week two. Thanks, everybody.